This is the new one. This is the same brand. Just put it up here. Grab a key. I want to take the base because we don't need it. Turn this way. Drop it a little bit. And then, oh, okay, so I was worried about, you're going to throw away all these. Come this way. Párate en este. So then, hold it aquí. Point. Just hold it.
You want to restart?
No, está bien. Who cares? They can go fast forward. So because you're going to throw away all this, then I press that thing this way. That way you can snap it up. Let me do it again. I can get it. So I want to move this little thingy here outside, to the outside. There. And who cares if it breaks? Just be careful with these ones. This is why you care to be careful. This thing is gone, it's trash anyway. So then pull out, and this is the one that I move. Who cares? It's broken. I don't care. It's trash. So this is. Now I have the new one, and I snap the power in here. How come it's not looking good? There. It's easy. Hold it. Just hold it there. I'll do it quick. So match the hole to the thingy and press down. Make sure you do it straight because you don't want to mess up the little prong. So press down. Ah, I had it. It's a little tight, so I'm thinking we need to move this a little bit down because it's new, so it can go in easier. Just be patient, don't mess it up. You don't want to replace all this mess. And this one is hard. So annoying. Okay, again. This is my first time changing them. And I didn't have to replace anything because it's the same brand. So then the cables, the cables are a little twisted, so I want to unroll them a little bit and then find the end. And then pull this baby out and you're done. Done. Test.